The blinking power light on a Spectrum router can be caused by several factors. One possible reason is a software glitch, which can be resolved by power cycling the router. To do this, simply disconnect the router from the power outlet, wait for about a minute, and then reconnect it to see if the blinking stops. Another potential cause is a service outage in the area, which can lead to connectivity issues that trigger the blinking power light. To check for outages, it's possible to search through the outage map at the Spectrum website. Damaged or loosely attached cables can also be the culprit, so checking for damage and ensuring that cables are firmly connected can help solve the problem. Additionally, overheating can cause the power light to blink, so relocating the router to a well-ventilated area, keeping it away from heat sources, and ensuring it's not covered can help fix the issue. By addressing these potential causes, it's possible to resolve the problem of a blinking power light on a Spectrum router.